Types of roofs and how long it lasts. Asphalt shingles can last between 15 to 25 years if properly maintained. It is durable and lightweight materials, making it the best choice for residential applications. In addition, architectural asphalt shingles are a great choice. Hay also offer a layered look and are made from thicker materials that will last for decades. This option is cheaper compared to wood shakes. Metal roofing is expected to last between 40 to 70 years with a warranty of 20 years to a lifetime. It comes with a huge variety of choices such as steel, copper, aluminum, and zinc, which sometimes last for over 100 years. Although they are not the most popular choice for the US, however, they provide a good beneficial effect to your end. Wood shakes will cost more, but they will look great and be a good investment. Their life expectancy can go anywhere from 30 years, however, they require proper maintenance including yearly cleaning, as well as repainting or staining every 5 years. So, whether you're looking to replace asphalt or a wood shake, there are several options to choose from. A wooden tile roof can even last up to 50 years. Slate is the most expensive material. It typically lasts between 15 and 20 years, while other materials can last for up to 70. A roof's longevity depends on several factors, including the type of material, weather conditions, and roof installation. Clay tiles may need to be replaced after a hurricane, while a concrete tile may require a replacement after a few years. But they are extremely durable and are expected to last between 50 to 100 years. Manufacturers often provide product warranties anywhere from 30 years to lifespan. Ceramic tile is likely to last for more than 50 years. And slate will need to be replaced sooner, so make sure you have a replacement plan in place.